start out like you're going to do a normal drop spin, right? You do your drop spin, and it's going to circle around, and you're going to catch it next to the clip, and with your left hand under, and your right hand will go on top next to the butt. And this happens at the same time. So it goes 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Again, we're going to do 2 drop spins and a close. Up, up, ready, and 1, 2, 3. From here, you'll be able to do a lot of extra tricks, you know? So it's really important for you to get the close down.